So I'm lagging again. I'm trying to make that video professional, but I'm just going to make it this way for now. Okay, so why should someone with 10,000 fans use your service? And that's because last year, I think it was 2017 or 2018, Facebook made a change. They made it to where business posts took the back seat to your friends and family posts. So that means that if you have 10,000 fans and you're posting in your wall, it's not getting seen like it used to. The second thing is, as I said in a video talking to someone else, is that the style of communication that you have right now is you and 10,000 fans, and whatever you post goes to them all, and they may not see it, but on top of it, it's just general stuff, right? Where with the new system of converting them from fans to Facebook opt-ins, you can now take them and break them out. So like for a real estate agent or a so let's talk about real estate stuff. Like you're selling services to bots to the real estate industry, right? You've got the agent, the broker, the loan officer, insurance, right? So of this 10,000, right? When you just send stuff out, it's just everyone gets to read it and they all comment. Or what you can do is you can make through once you get them all in to Facebook Messenger, now you have the ability to stratify and market. And as I told someone who liked the analogy, the old way, you're at a rock concert and you're just playing your music to thousands of fans, and it is what it is. With the new system, it's like Sirius Radio, where agents get agent stuff. A country gets country, rock and roll gets rock and roll, rap gets rap, and NPR gets NPR. Everyone gets their message. Now there's a general, the general wall is still there, but by being able to stratify your base, a couple things happen. You're able to have a drip campaign inside Messenger that markets to them. Now you can't go crazy, but it markets to them and funnels them into, doing it. So basically, and then the broker and loan officer and insurance. Now you can go farther. Like if let's say they're like they're a maid or painter or plumber or carpet cleaner, those you can market to as well. And with Facebook Messenger, so let's say that you're sending out a ton of stuff about maids and painters. Well, the real estate people will be turned off. And you do stuff about just real estate people, well, everyone else is going to be turned off. Where with this new system, you're able to stratify. No one's going to see the drip campaigns that you're sending to these people, and it's more effective than email, no matter what all these new people are saying. It's like, yeah, cigarettes are good for you now. Okay, whatever. Oh, you sell cigarettes? I wonder. But basically, so each person gets their individual messaging and gets connected and gets funneled, while the main wall has, messages for your main client base, or through, just regular, like you're going to be changing your messaging to incorporate everybody, but then you've got your whatchamacallit, your individuals. So first thing is it gets, by converting your people, they all are easier to talk to. Right now, you can't go message client number 9,755. With Facebook Messenger, you can. With your system now, you can't talk to these people individually without alienating everybody. With the new system, you can. You can integrate and funnel them in a system that gets more business than email or anything else. So in 1994, email came out to the masses, and you didn't understand it, didn't really, see how all that it did. But now it did a lot for stuff back then. Back then, it was either voicemail or you had to walk into the store. Now with email and the internet, you've got a totally different way to communicate. Well, now that's the way it is in 2019 with Facebook Messenger. You can totally talk to everybody. Every 30,000 fans can feel like you're just talking to them if you do the marketing right. And the other thing about it is your competitors can't see it. They can't see all the stuff that you're doing by sending these messages directly to the different groups. It's not public on the wall. So it's a way for you to market, and no one will be able to figure it out. So it's just, there's so many reasons why you should use our Facebook conversion system, and it'll pay for itself, by getting it all done.